Imagine turning just $100 into $1 million. Sounds impossible, right? But many traders have done exactly that, starting small and building huge wealth. What's their secret? It's not luck or some magic formula. It's their mindset, the way they think, act, and plan. Today, I'll share the mindset that separates small traders from millionaires. If you watch this video till the end, you'll learn how to train your brain, think like a millionaire trader and take steps to grow your money the smart way. The starter mindset. The first thing you must understand is that trading is a journey, not about quick wins. Some traders think $100 is too small to start, but that's wrong. Every millionaire trader started small. The mindset is to value small beginnings and focus on growth, not immediate profits. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Be patient. Learn from every trade, win or lose. Every small profit is a win. Celebrate it. Think long term, like planting seeds for a big tree years later. Embrace learning and mistakes. Millionaire traders never stop learning. They studied charts, strategies, and psychology. They make mistakes, but they don't give up. Instead, they use those mistakes as lessons to improve. Treat every loss as a lesson, not a failure. Keep a trading journal to track what works and what doesn't. Read simple books and watch tutorials. Join communities, but think critically. Not every tip is gold. Control your emotions. The biggest enemy of small traders is emotion, fear, greed, and impatience. If you let emotions control you, you'll lose money fast. The millionaire mindset is about staying calm and focused. Set clear rules before every trade. Entry, exit, and stop loss. Stick to your plan no matter what. If you feel stressed, take a break. Don't trade when emotional. Practice mindfulness or simple breathing to stay calm. Risk management is king. No millionaire trader risks everything on one trade. They know how to protect their capital, so they can trade again tomorrow. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your money on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to limit losses. Only trade money you can afford to lose. Think like a business owner protecting their investment. Build good trading habits. Millionaires make trading a disciplined habit, not a gamble. Prepare before the market opens. Review your trades at the end of every day or week. Avoid overturning. Focus on quality, not quantity. Set realistic goals and celebrate progress. Instead of dreaming of millions all at once, focus on setting small goals each week or month. Aim to grow your account steadily. Say 5 to 10% a month. When you hit these goals, celebrate your progress. Adjust goals based on your skill level. Growth keeps motivation high. Document your milestones. They remind you of your journey. Stay consistent. And keep the bigger picture. Consistency is the most powerful weapon in growing. From $100 to millions. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't chase big, risky trades. Slow and steady wins. Reinvest profits to grow your capital gradually. Believe in yourself, even when markets are tough. Remember, turning $100 into $1 million is not about luck. It's about having the right mindset every day. It's about patience, learning, controlling emotions, managing risk, and staying consistent. If you adopt these habits, you'll be on your way to becoming a millionaire trader. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple and powerful trading tips. Comment below what mindset challenge you struggle with the most. I'll see you in the next video.